I must compliment you. Excellent speaker. No doubts about it. My question is, you have shown two cases. You must have heard two cases were shown. And end result, both of them PTPH, posterior puncture. Now, first case you showed it was a Twinkie needle, size was 25. Am I right, sir? But the second case, you showed Whitaker needle, just like spot, pencil shape, pencil point needle, which has no chances of PTPA. But interestingly, even the Whitaker needle has produced PTPA. Where the mistake lies in the slide. I beg your pardon, sir, if I am not mistaken. Whitaker needle, you have not specified the size of the needle. Whitaker needles are 20 to 27. So if you have used the lower, there will be PTPH.
Yeah, the one which we used in that particular patient was a 25 kg.
That's also, no, Whitaker also was 25.
Yes.
But you didn't specify in the slide the number of the slides.
Yeah, it was a 25 kg Whitaker, but we required 3 attempts to get this by. But it was very unfortunate that the patient developed PTPH because in obese patients you do not expect.
Very unusual, very unusual.
But the severity was so
Twinkie developing PTPH is expected, very much expected.
True.
But Whitaker and Sprott needle causing this thing.
Yes.
Definitely.
That
So would you
we
advise rather than 25, go for 27?
Yes, definitely. Yes, if it is
And it is available, 27
yes.
is available, why not 27?
Yes, of course, yes. But we do not expect even with the 25 the Whitaker needed in a BMI of 44.
That's it. Next
But the
report.
severity was so high that she was completely
Absolutely.
bedridden. But fortunately, she responded to neostickmin atropine because she was not consenting for the epidural.
Absolutely. And your question, that was, I have faced myself similar thing. Magnesium sulfate, adjuvant given, long sensory and motor blockade, and medical superintendent asking, what is wrong with you? Stop doing new experiments with the patient. That's wrong. Absolutely wrong. We should encourage the students to do something new.
Shall we expect
Experiment with the
any
patient.
questions from the postgraduates?
Yes, please.
Expected?
Thank you.